Surrogacy is a reproductive arrangement between a woman, that is surrogate, and another woman that cannot conceive or carry a pregnancy. So a surrogate mother carries and delivers the baby for another woman that cannot carry a pregnancy. So it's like borrowing a womb for a woman that cannot carry a pregnancy. The baby is genetically yours, but the womb is borrowed with love. If you want to know more about surrogacy, keep following us. We will post all the queries about surrogacy.
Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma Uliathu Bon selit Iakynduh Menteri Rangba Kejala Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma hashuwa kalai Tarik Jemang Arhajar Arpundrio Banekaran halor kakendrum kenram kebejah kesnong Lapangap Habakiran nikilat patai kubor hak arpnyo Tarik Jemang Arhajar Arpundrio Conrad Kongkal Sangma Ulapen Pau Baulekran badu Menteri Rangba Kejala Assam hekni sengi kebelalet banepen bet yakni kakam Badu Himanta Biswa Sarma ulapen tip udai benda Iharsha Delhi hadian kalai Tarik benai Jemang. Namar babro arngut ki Menteri Rangba akidan lagi kam ki babon hadian kini Tarik. Menteri Rangba ke Assam mulakan tu baladala kide bani kendu hashuwa kalai Tarik. Padhalor kini Conrad Kongkal Sangma unla ban penklai ki program jengu nang bikin la bani kendu apa kini kisi ki banuan. Namar lada omlek kumta ke Jingiakynduh kala banang slam hadian. Halor kamat kebede bagi Jingiakynad Lapangap ulapen pau ke Jingkerman babro arngut kila bani trailang ban penbet yakni ke kendrum kenram. Badu ulakan tu ki padba nong syong kathan bandan ke Jingiakynad trailang bat ke sorkar kenang banwat iklinti ban penbet yakni namar ke sorkar katmu ban le ya ka babhatam.
That we are in touch with everybody at from this chief minister level. I'm coordinating personally, and even the CEM I'm coordinating personally, and the MLA I'm coordinating personally, and the administration is talking. So we have been at it for the last 10 days, I should tell you. And so this is not that I'm just sharing something for the press, but we have been working behind the scenes quite aggressively. Let's hope that we'll be able to resolve this. They meet regularly and they have no issues, but there are certain other concerns that are there which needs to be resolved. So that's we are working on. And yes, out of the total paddy field area which is grown and cultivated, 85% is not an issue. It's the 15% where for many years and decades our people have been planting out there, have been growing the paddy out there. So that is where the concerns lie. There are some complications that came up from Karbi Anglong and Assam side, which again are some things that our people are not comfortable with, and hence we are trying to find a way in which we can find a kind of a win-win situation where both sides can accept. So let's work on that, and we are trying to see. We are aware of all the factors and all the stakeholders, and as I said, I had a talk just today itself with Assam CM. I mean, we exchanged messages on WhatsApp. I could not call him because I was also busy with some meetings, but I messaged him and he messaged back saying that, look, I'm not there 30th, but post 30th, so if you can meet before that. So we'll see, we'll work it out. That to show that I'm visiting, my purpose is to resolve the problem. So whatever it takes to resolve the problem is my priority, and I think it is important for me right now to ensure that I am able to talk to my counterpart and take up the matter to resolve it. So I'm focusing on that right now.
Lily, Pikalan.
Kanda pi Tarik kan ni kapisa. Kali jauh na kan ni. Ba, ka hospital te kala ajingai nang ni.
Binti hashuwa hang ni hadu nda dek por kamu.
Sister, hap siu kat nama?
Kasurkar kalau siulut ikijing lut jing separo. Namar man kaway pa kaway kamin siem kalong ka koridor.